Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Loosen the wheel lug nuts while the car sits on the ground, then lift and support it securely. Once done, chock the opposite wheel and remove the wheel for access. You'll see the broken sway bar link connecting the stabilizer to the control arm. Spray penetrating oil on both nuts and let it soak for several minutes. This helps free seized threads so you can remove the fasteners with less force and less risk of rounding. Now keep control. Hold the link stud with the proper hex or 12-point wrench, then break the nut loose with a breaker bar or impact wrench. If the stud spins, use an angle grinder or sawzall to cut the link body between mounts, or strike the tapered joint with a hammer and chisel to break corrosion. Work carefully to avoid damaging the sway bar or control arm. Once free, extract any remnants, clean the area, and prep the threads for the new part. You finish by installing the replacement link, making sure orientation and bushing placement match the original. Thread the nuts by hand first, then torque to spec. Once done, reinstall the wheel, torque lug nuts in a star pattern, and lower the car carefully. After a short, cautious test drive, recheck all fasteners and look for play or unusual noises. If you feel clunking or C movement, stop and retorque or inspect the mounting surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.